Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I decided to try a new technique of Dutch pour. I'm gonna do a feather using lots of finger swipes and let's see how it turns out. So the composition must be in the center, it must fit on canvas, not outside. And I'm starting the shape of the feather with pearl white. I want my feather to contain a gradient of colors, so I prepared lots of different colors. I start with phthalo blue, blue violet, red violet, primary magenta, phthalo blue again, and blue violet. This is the first darkest layer of the colors. The second layer begins with brilliant blue. This is the violet mix, I get it from red violet light and turquoise. This is red violet light, red purple, brilliant blue again, and violet mix again. The third layer, sky blue. This is ultramarine violet mixed with titanium white, quinacridone rose light, quinacridone rose, sky blue again, and violet mix. I don't add colors in the end of the flow, as you see, because I will blow out this direction and the colors will be moving, I hope not too far. Okay, the next one is pearl white, just to add more shimmer. It is an iridescent color. I add more base color next to my flow to help the colors moving better. Now I need to touch it because there are lots of bubbles now. And I'm ready to blow it out. Well, I like it so far, but I think I went a little bit too far, but it's okay, we can fix it. Now I need to do a shape of the feather, more like feather from both sides. I really love how the gradient of colors turns out, but there's too much paint in the end of the flow. Well, I think the feather shape is nearly done. There is still too much paint in the end, I need to remove it. Some paint went out of the canvas, I'm fixing it with the finger. And of course I need to work with the stick of the feather. I add more base color here and it helps to make it thinner. I try to fix a little bit with my breath. You can see that the stick is getting even thinner as I wanted it to be. It's time to do a finger swipe. I need to continue my stick till the end of the flow. And now I will improve the feather shape with such finger swipes. I think it looks even more interesting. The top of the feather is not perfect now. I think I need to work with it a little bit more. It's time to work with the details. I see that the feather is a little bit displaced to the right side, so I try to move it a little bit on the canvas to the center. The first part of process is done. Let's jump to the next step. My feather is dry and I decided to embellish it with some tracery. The work is finished. Let me show you the result. Here it is, my feather covered with gloss varnish, and I'm very happy with the design. So many small details and the colors are so bright. And what do you think? Do you like the design? And how about the color palette? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.